Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Dima, I'm from Belarus and I continue learning English, and at the same time I continue to teach you Russian language. So today will be also quite interesting and helpful video for you if you learn Russian language. You know that English word me we can translate into Russian like мне, меня, мной. But what's the difference between all these three Russian words? And in this video I will explain to you this difference. In the beginning of this video I want to tell you that I'm not teacher. I'm not professionally Russian teacher. But despite of this fact that I'm not teacher, I'm native Russian speaker, and it seems to me that I can share with you some secrets how you can sound like a real native Russian speaker. Let's go. Let's to begin with the word меня. Меня. When you, for example, see English sentence with combination of the two words like for me, if we see this combination for me, you need to translate this combination into Russian like для меня. For me, для меня. For example, he did it for me. Он сделал это для меня. He did it for me. Он сделал это для меня. We see this combination. For me, для меня. He did it for me. Он сделал это для меня. He does it for me. Он делает это для меня. He will do it for me. Он сделает это для меня. Take another word, another example. For example, she did it for me. Она сделала это для меня. For me, для меня. She does it for me. Она делает это для меня. She will do it for me. Она сделает это для меня. You did it for me. Ты сделал это для меня. For me, для меня. You do it for me. Ты делаешь это для меня. You will do it for me. Ты сделаешь это для меня. Understand? For another example. This is for me. Это для меня. For me, для меня. It's important for me. Это важно для меня. It's important for me. Это важно для меня. Or another quite common phrase in English. As for me. Что касается меня. As for me. Что касается меня. I said about this phrase in one of my last video. Please watch this video about this phrase. As for me. Что касается меня. Also, you need to use this word меня in this kind of sentence. Are you happy for me? Question. Are you happy for me? Ты счастлив за меня? Ты счастлив за меня? Or ты рад за меня? Ты рад за меня? Are you happy for me? Ты рад за меня? For me, за меня. I know that exactly in this example I translate into Russian like за меня, not для меня, but you just need to remember that exactly in this sentence, like are you happy for me? You need to use, you need to translate into Russian like за меня. Ты рад за меня? Or without question. You are happy for me. Ты рад за меня. You are happy for me. Ты рад за меня. So go next. Also we can use this word like меня in this kind of sentence. For example, question. Can you see me? Ты видишь меня? Can you see me? Ты видишь меня? Or without question. You see me. Ты видишь меня. You see me. Ты видишь меня. He sees me. Он видит меня. He sees me. Он видит меня. She sees me. Она видит меня. She sees me. Она видит меня. Will you come to me? Ты придешь ко мне? Will you come to me? Ты придешь ко мне? Will you meet me? Ты встретишь меня? Will you meet me? Ты встретишь меня? Or without question. He will meet me. Он встретит меня. She will meet me. Она встретит меня. Or about past time. She met me. Она встретила меня. She met me. Она встретила меня. He met me. Он встретил меня. You met me. Ты встретил меня. Or you saw me. Ты видел меня. You saw me. Ты видел меня. Will you love me? Ты будешь любить меня. Will you love me? Ты будешь любить меня. Yes, he will love me. Он будет любить меня. She will love me. Она будет любить меня. Understand? Just remember these kind of sentences when we use this word меня. Okay, go next. When we use word мне. Мне. Firstly, you should remember that if you see combination of these two words like to me, for example, if you speak English and you had you build in your head English sentence with combination of these two words like to me, you should translate into Russian like ко мне. To me, ко мне. To me, ко мне. For example, will you come to me? Will you come to me? Ты придешь ко мне? Ты придешь ко мне? Will you come to me? Ты придешь ко мне? Yes, he will come to me. Он придет ко мне. He will come to me. Он придет ко мне. She will come to me. Она придет ко мне. Or about past time. She came to me. Она пришла ко мне. He came to me. Он пришел ко мне. To me, ко мне. Or another example. You are too kind to me. Ты так добр ко мне. You are too kind to me. Ты так добр ко мне. So, another example. For example, if when somebody give you something. Give me this book. Give me this book. Дай мне эту книгу. Give me this book. Дай мне эту книгу. Give me this apple. Дай мне это яблоко. Give me this apple. Дай мне это яблоко. Give me this table. Дай мне этот стол. Give me this table. Дай мне этот стол. And of course, there are exceptions. For example, like this sentence. I need this book. I need this book. We need translate into Russian like мне нужна эта книга. I mean, when you need something, you need to use word мне. I need this book. Мне нужна эта книга. I need this apple. Мне нужно это яблоко. I need this phone. Мне нужен этот телефон. I need. Мне нужен. Мне нужно. And so on. Understand? I need this. Мне нужен этот. Мне нужно это. I need. Мне нужно. Understand? So, go next. When we use word мной. Мной. We use this Russian word in these kind of sentences. For example, you're proud of me. You're proud of me. Ты гордишься мной. You're proud of me. Ты гордишься мной. He is proud of me. Он гордится мной. Он гордится мной. She is proud of me. Она гордится мной. She is proud of me. Она гордится мной. Or about past time. You were proud of me. Ты гордился мной. You were proud of me. Ты гордился мной. He was proud of me. Он гордился мной. She was proud of me. Она гордилась мной. Or like question. Are you proud of me? Ты гордишься мной? Are you proud of me? Ты гордишься мной? Is he proud of me? Он гордится мной. Is he proud of me? Он гордится мной. Is she proud of me? Она гордится мной. Is she proud of me? Она гордится мной. Also, if you see combination of these two words like with me, with me. With me we translate into Russian like со мной. With me, со мной. For example, will you come to New York with me? Question. Will you come to New York with me? Ты поедешь в Нью-Йорк со мной? Ты поедешь в Нью-Йорк со мной? With me, со мной. Will you come to the gym with me? Ты пойдешь в спортзал со мной? Ты пойдешь в спортзал со мной? With me, со мной. Or he went to the party with me. Он ходил на вечеринку со мной. He went to the party with me. Он ходил на вечеринку со мной. Or another example. She was with me yesterday. She was with me yesterday. Она была со мной вчера. Она была со мной вчера. With me, со мной. She will be with me. She will be with me. Она будет со мной. She will be with me. Она будет со мной. With me, со мной. So now we will talk about some exceptions. If you say like this sentence, I will take it with me. We see this combination with me, and probably you will you wanted to translate into Russian like со мной, with me, со мной, yes. But exactly in this sentence, you need to translate like this. I will take it with me. Я возьму это с собой. Я возьму это с собой. Understand? I will take it with me. Я возьму это с собой. How you need to pronounce this combination of these two words, с собой. We see two words, с and с собой. You don't need to interrupt these two words like с собой. You don't say like this, с собой. You need to join to this word and say more quickly. For example, с собой, с собой, с собой. More long pronunciation. Not с собой, just с собой, с собой. Я возьму это с собой, я возьму это с собой, я возьму это с собой. I will take it with me. Я возьму это с собой. Not я возьму это с собой. It is incorrect. Just с собой, с собой, с собой. Я возьму это с собой. Understand? Okay, another exceptions. Everyone know quite beautiful singer Adele. Adele, yes, and she has also quite beautiful song Hello. Hello, it's me. Yes, this sentence we translate into Russian like Привет, это я. I know that it's me, me. Why I translated this word like я? Because we see word me. But exactly in this sentence like it's me, we translate into Russian like это я. Hello, it's me. Привет, это я. Or another example. Who is that? It's me. Кто это? Это я. Understand? Who is that? It's me. Кто это? Это я. It's me. Это я. This is exception. So, of course, if you learn Russian language and if you communicate with native Russian speaker, probably this native Russian speaker can tell you this phrase, like I said, by differently, of course, because I really consider that Russian language more difficult and more rich on different words and combination of the words from English language and another language. I really consider like this. And you should know that I tried to share with you more basic Russian rules, more basic Russian phrases when you need to use this word like мне, мной, меня, understand? And of course, if you will speak Russian with native Russian speaker, probably you will meet another translating all these sentence like I said in this video, of course. And I don't share with you all these examples because this example lots of in Russian language. I hope you understood me because it's quite difficult to explain to you this moment, understand? Just remember these basic rules that what I said like this in this video. And of course, don't worry if you will make mistake in your Russian speech when you will speak Russian with native Russian speaker, because even if you will make mistake in this topic, I mean, if you will make mistake when we use this word мной, меня, or меня, I forgot. Меня, мне, меня, and мной. Native Russian speaker will understand you anyway, understand? And don't worry about your mistakes, understand? As for me, I'm also learning English language, and I know that I make any mistakes in my speech. I know about it, but I don't worry because I know that I hope that you understand me. So if you like this video, if I deserved, subscribe to my channel, put like, and bye bye.